Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I've been looking for a way to reduce the amount of garbage that I am making, and one of the main things that I wanted to use was some reusable paper towels. I got these ones by Cloven. It is a 25 pack and they are so handy. It's perfect for wiping up my baby's little messes, and they're super easy to clean too. I can wash them in the top rack of my dishwasher, which is really handy to just keep them washed basically all the time. But also, if you have a bunch of them dirty, you can throw them in the washing machine, and I like to hang them to dry. They are so easy to just reach for if you have something quick you need to do, like wiping off a whiteboard. They are perfect for that because they are also really absorbent. They're really strong. You can't tear them. They don't stretch. I like washing my baby's dishes with these because I like to use separate things from what I'm using to wash my other dishes. It's also super thin, so it's easy to get into all the little crevices on my pump parts or on his teething toys. Once you've got them all washed up, they are super easy to restock. Also, you just fold them back around the roll that they came with, and I like to sit them beside my regular paper towels so they're just as easy to reach for, and hopefully I will use them more. If you've been looking for a way to reduce your garbage, I highly recommend getting these reusable paper towels. They are a great size, there is plenty of them, and they are super easy to wash and reuse. I love them, and I think you will too, and that's my point of view.